What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we're at Santa Fe Station, which, if you couldn't tell, is a Stations casino. Okay, starting us off strong, when you first walk in, immediately to the left is the charcoal room, which serves steak and seafood. And next to the charcoal room, we have another restaurant, but this is to serve for all of your Mexican cravings. And then next to that, we have the bingo hall. Also, if you enjoy Keno, they do have a small section right next to their entrance for Keno, along with a Starbucks, which is right next to their food court. But before I show you the food court, I would like to show you their fitness room and their pool. So this is their fitness room. You do need a hotel key to get into it, and then the walkway to the pool is quite long, so just be prepared because the heat will hit you before you even reach the pool. You do also need a hotel key to get into the pool itself, and they are dog friendly. And I know that for a fact because on the walk to the pool they have dog areas where they can relieve themselves, and also they offer free parking. And of course, right around the corner from the pool and the fitness room is their hotel registration. And we have officially made our way back to the food courts. They offer things such as Wingstop, Starbucks, Villa, which is the Italian kitchen, and their food actually smelled really good. They also have Fat Burger, Capriotti's, and Panda Express. They even have a bar across the way from the food court. Around the corner from the food court, they have a hallway that leads you to a long line of slot machines and a showroom called their Chrome Showroom. And then further down the hallway, you're greeted by all the family-friendly activities such as bowling, the movie theater. They even have a Kids Quest and a Cyber Quest. Now, for those who don't know, Kids Quest is a child care provider and they charge hourly, whereas the Cyber Quest is one big arcade. This casino also offers video poker, and it'll be right across the hall from the Brass Fork, which is their cafe. And of course, next to their Brass Fork cafe, we have the Oyster Bar, and their Oyster Bar is open. However, they were doing some remodeling, so you had to eat it at the cafe and order from the cafe. They also have a regular poker room as well. They do also have a sports book. It is located in the back next to their poker room. And they also have table games, and those are located more towards the front of the casino next to the food court. So I did film that. It is a little wonky though because I did not want to get harassed at this casino. But they do have table games, they are open, and they were pretty poppin'. As I mentioned earlier, Santa Fe Casino is a very small casino, so that is all I have for you guys today. If you guys have stayed here or been here, let me know you guys' thoughts about this casino down in the comments below. Be sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!